this platform where we could come and share our knowledge. And I would request all of you also to share hearty applaud for Dr. Malpani, because of his efforts we are all sitting on this platform together. So just give a clap for him. Okay, now before we start with this session, which is about stress management, now let's talk about, let's not take it as a session, let's take it as an interaction. So now when you talk about stress, now I won't say, or I won't think there would be a person who need to understand what is stress, or is there any person who can say I am not having stress in my life?
Stress free.
Can you say you are stress free?
No.
Why?
You can take on stress.
Okay, but if you say you're not stress free, do you think that stress is really a very chronic one, which is affecting your physical and the mental well-being?
Stress is required. Okay, to a certain extent, maybe it will not affect.
See, a little bit of stress is required. When you'll have a stress, it will trigger the best in you.
Correct.
Because see, when there is exams, you would prepare for the best. If there is no exams, you'll take it very coolly. So certain kind of stress or the triggering factor is required. But that's a positive one.
Yeah.
Or that is the life, or how do you tackle your life situation. But when you take the other way, now you said the life, as everybody say, I'm having lots of stress, and this, because of this stress, it has resulted into many of the complications. Maybe you have been suffering from blood pressure, diabetes, heart problems, no matter what. So is that stress taking to that particular level where it can affect you mentally and physically? Is it really required or not? My question is very simple. Okay, a little bit of stress is required in everybody's life, but if stress affecting to that particular level, it start ruling your body and your mind, affecting your behavior and implementing or restricting your behavior or your physical capability. Is that required?
Because that is burnout stage.
Yeah, that's a burnout stage. Now we all know that's a burnout stage. So is there something which can be really done to tackle it or to prevent it at a level where you could have a stress, but it should not develop into any sort of complication? Okay, so means you are having a stress, but it is not resulting into any sort of cardiovascular problem. It is not resulting into any sort of respiratory ailment or any simple or general thing which could restrict your behavior. Now, to make it more understandable or to make it more convincing, let us understand life from a very, very layman's view. Now, what is a life? If you talk about life, what is life according to all of you? Life is what? Life is what? Come on.
Actually, in a crude level, it's a series of events.
Yeah, so a life is a series of events. Yeah, it's a journey. So now, so there are two very good definitions both of you have given. Life is a series of experiments or experiences, or it's a journey. When you talk about a journey is never one stop. Do you get it? A journey has to be, it could be either a non-stop, but that's also very difficult. Mostly journey means it would be taking fragments, or it would be taking halt at number of steps. So you have a step which is called infancy, you have a step which is called childhood, you have a step called youth, you have a step called adult, then you have a step called senior citizenship, or this. So now when you're talking about each and every step of your life would have some sort of consequences, or it will have some sort of restriction. You're supposed, or you're required to behave, or you're required to act in a certain way. And every stage will have a consequence or a pros and a cons. As a child, you had a carefree life, but at the same time, you were asked to study. As a student in a college, you were allowed to bunk, but you were made sure that you passed out your degree exams. So everything in life comes with a tag, but that tag always have a list of instruction. This has to be done broadly, but this should not be avoided at any cost. Is it right? Same thing when you're talking about the series of experiences. No two experiences would be same. Your experiences of childhood would be remarkable, but you can't compare it with your canteen life in your college. Do you get it? You can't compare your canteen life, what you spend in your college, with your bachelorhood in your hostel. So each experience is different, right? So when you're talking about these different experiences, they all are embedded into our memories, right? And each time when you passed out, there was a possibly a greater celebration. But when you bunked the college or you were having a late night from the hostel without getting into the notice of your warden or something, there was a degree of apprehension or degree of punishment which would have kept you off. So similarly in your life, there are series of changes or there are series of experiences which are meant for learning. Now this learning experiences are conditional according to our, you can say, knowledge, or according to our upbringing. Or I won't say upbringing, we say it is according to the knowledge that we absorb from different sources. It could be like what your parents have taught you, it could be what you learned in your kindergarten, it could be what you learned in your college, but it is basically the whole picture as an individual what we get it. Okay, if this is a situation, we are supposed to behave this way. So this is nothing but a conditional clause. Would you agree? It's a conditional clause. I'll give you a very simple example to understand what is a conditional clause. We all buy different things from the market. Suppose I'll just give you an example. You have bought a packet of glucose biscuit, a Parle-G biscuit. Now if you're buying it here in Bombay, it will cost you say about 5 rupees. If you buy it in Pune, they write you down if you are buying.
Rest of Maharashtra.
Yes. If you buy it in Gujarat, the price is different. So what is that? It's a conditional treatment. Now if you are living in Bombay and suppose that same package costs you 4.50 and you will go and start fighting with the vendor case पे तो 4.5 रुपए लिखा हुआ है, आप 5 रुपए कैसे मांग रहे हो, आप 5 रुपए चोरी कर रहे हैं. Are you wrong or he is wrong?
Nobody.
That's also true. But broadly, somebody is wrong. Who is wrong?
Management.
No. Here the situation is one. Now you are living in Bombay and you are asking for the price in Pune, or you are asking for the price which has been sold in Gujarat. Do you get it? So he will say, if he's intelligent enough, he say, yes, you are right, I'll give you in 4.50. For that you need to go to Gujarat. So to save 50 paisa, you'll travel take a ticket for 500 bucks. Is that sensible? No. So when you say stress is a conditional clause of your mind.
Conditional response.
Yes. It's like you restrict yourself. If this is the thing, my response has to be like this. Do you understand it? We restrict ourselves completely through certain parameters or certain circumstances only. Oh, ऐसा है तो ऐसा ही होगा. And if I'm saying this got to be true. And what's the reason which makes this conditional so rigid? That is, I would just put it in again a very simple word, lack of resources or lack of knowledge. Now why I am saying lack of knowledge. Now suppose you have done your degree from Bombay, okay, and you are applying for a job in Karnataka. First thing they'll ask you what? They'll ask you a domestic, certificate, right? Domicile, yeah, domicile, sorry. Yeah, so that domicile certificate is required. Now, you said domicile certificate, suppose you have given it. Then they will ask you the proof of residence. They will ask you the detail of your family and all. What is the reason for asking all this? To get a full, circle or full knowledge about whereabout or what you are into currently. Whether you are into some good sources or not. Now, इसी में हम क्या करते हैं? Lack of knowledge. Suppose you said, okay, I have done my degree. You have furnished one of the certificate or you have furnished a few details, but you are not in a position to furnish with the other details. So what would they do? They would not take you for the job, or they would not qualify you for the situation. So what we do in this particular situation, we ask you to train okay. You must be wondering why I'm talking so much about mind, and this is a question about stress. It should be simply talk about depression, tension and all, and then what are the ways that in which we can tackle it. But there's a different way in which I want to tackle stress. I want to tackle stress on a very, very broader and a very, very simpler ground. I don't want to give you too hi-fi definition. Stress in an altered state of consciousness in which you alter your physical and the mental well-being. We need to know what exactly is stress, and if you want to tackle it, what are point A, point 2 and point 3 that you can do. There's nothing 30 or 100 or 2000 tips to tackle your depression or your stress. See, if you go more than 3, that will again cause a conflict into your mind, and then again it would be a stress. So what we are doing it, see, we are talking about there is a lack of knowledge. When you talk about knowledge, the source of the knowledge is your mind. And when you talk about mind, there are two spheres of mind that normally we talk about. One is a rational mind or a rational brain, and the other one is an irrational mind or the irrational brain. The rational mind is supposed to be responsible for all your logical thinking and all your day-to-day activity, right? And whereas this one is connected with all your all your connections with your emotions, with your intuitions, with anything which is connected with your emotion. So what happened? Whenever there would be this mind, your emotional mind is controlling, is trying to act control your rational mind, you would always have a conflict, or you'll find the judgment or the decision which you are trying to do, you're not in a position to take those decisions or those judgments. So at this particular point, we ask you to use more of your start doing the therapy or start doing the things which can control this particular part of your life or this particular sphere of your mind, right? And what is the best thing to control your emotional mind or your irrational mind? Now suppose I said I'm getting too touchy, I'm getting too emotional, the things a person is telling me anything, I'm getting touchy, I'm not in a position to concentrate on my work, I'm not in a position to focus, my productivity has been you can say altered, it's not as what it used to be the earlier and all. So what can I do to control this brain of mine? I want to be less sensitive, I want to have more control over my mind, and at the same time be more productive to my professional as well as my personal field. So what should be the first thing that you would think you need to do it in that particular situation?
I think you make
Sorry?
the mind strong.
You have to make the mind blank.
Okay, what will that do?
It will give you the rest.
So yoga, Punina,
Huh?
yoga, अच्छा नहीं.
Yeah.
So but yoga, I mean, what yoga will do? I mean, need to.
You need to take the situation, one situation at one time. That's why they start multitasking things. That could be one point. Or I'll put it very, very simple. The moment you want to do something, first and the foremost thing that you need to do is relax and observe. That's the first thing that you need to do, right? This is the main. You know what, it's like we have following a cycle and we all have set a routine to that particular degree. Even changing it to 30 minutes or changing it to 45 minutes is like something very, very difficult. So it's like we get up at a particular time, we go to bed at a particular time, but in between, what are we doing? Where we need to alter ourselves, where we need to slow down, where we need to observe certain things, that particular sense or that particular observation is not there in our lives. So that is, we call it relax and observe. In simple word, we call it scan. Scanning of your mind and your body. ठीक है?
Mindfulness or you mean mindfulness?
It's not mindfulness. It's just basically, now every day you have been say traveling 2 hours commuting from your office to your particular job place. So where on the earth when you reach home you have no time left, no energy, you will have your food and you will collapse to bed. So there is no moment you want to do ahead, you want to take a program to enhance your to your product or to take a course to do better into your job and all, but you have no energy left. So now first thing is that what you do, first thing is that you sit down and you observe your whole schedule, scrutinize your schedule right from the time you get up till the time you go to bed, what time you are doing what. It's a conscious, it's like you are in a situation but you are not into it, you are observing it from from the outside. So you are in the situation, your reaction, your behavior would be different, but when you are from outside, it's again a story of different perception. So you know which part you can curb, you can cut down, or where you can these are the areas or these are the times or these are the days I can do. Observer, and then you can find out what areas or what times are available to you where you can do certain changes in your life which can help you to get better hold of your life or increase your control about yourself. So that is first thing which is required. Second thing,
Is it introspection?
yes, it's introspection. That would come later. First is just outward. The introspection would be there, but that would be later. First is just now 7:30 you are getting up, 8 o'clock you are doing your breakfast, then 9 o'clock you are leaving for your office, in between 15 minutes you are spending with your wife, then 45 minutes you are with the TV. Do you get it? Analyzing what is required, what is pattern. Okay, and then as you observe it in the you can say on the bigger this you need to be done say maybe for 3 or 4 days or maybe sometimes for a week. So first you will just see the pattern, then you will find out what are the things which is really required. Then you will find out at the third stage okay, this time I can use it with my family, or this is a time where I can start with an activity, I can go and meet my friends, I can start a club, I can do something else. So that would start giving you the line of action to your own self. Okay, so that would be the first thing. Second thing is that now you have found out what are the times, what are the days which are available, or what are the things that now first thing you will find out over here is what is the problem. rather than the reason of scrutinizing your schedule is what? You want to know what is the problem. Maybe you're not getting your sleep properly. Maybe you're finding suddenly you're putting on weight, or you're finding your children are getting over friendly with the others, or they are not coming home. Like there are a lot of changes you'll find out, and that will give you
concern.
yes. So you will know, you would be knowing what is your exact focus or what is your exact problem. Okay, now you understood what is the problem. Now say the problem is something which is related with your health, or the problem which could be related with your relationship. Maybe you are finding the children are getting annoyed because you are not in a position to give them enough time, or with your spouse, whatever is the thing. Now you have found out the problem. Now what happens the moment you find out a problem, you start just coming and screaming, okay, the children are doing like that, they should not be doing that, they should be make a charter, okay, now everybody should be home by 9 o'clock and nobody should be out of that, and all. We start declaring deadlines. Is it right? Right? And what would happen? All those things, all those emotions which has been just laid down, which was very superficial, everybody would start coming and revolting. Children, okay Papa, for 2 years you are not being bothered, now why I've been always coming home by 12, now you want me to be back by 9, now next month is my friends wedding, I'm going for a destination, you said no more outings. So you enjoyed your thing.
They are habituated with that.
Yeah, because see, any change, whether it's yours or theirs, there is bound to have a degree of revolt, and that the degree of revolt would be again because of conditioning, because they knew father is not there. So they come home at 11 and on, mom, what she can do? They're free bird. Before the dad comes or the dad is sleeping, I can come and go in my room. Dad would never come to know. Do you get it? So this conditioning, which was very, very casual for them, and you suddenly try to make it very, very strict, they are bound to revolt, and they are bound to revolt very, very strongly. So what do you need to do at this particular stage? What do you need to do at this particular stage?
You have to be calm and
Relax.
not relax.
Not relax. Now you have understood.
But
You have understood the situation. But if you bring a charter, or if you try to impose your decision, you're bound to ignite the fire. And you don't want to do. Now you said already there is so much of a chaos and so much delays there. I don't want to do it any further. So what do you need to do it? First,
explain your objective to them.
first try to try to work on your own self, or try to change your perception of looking at the situation, and then try to come into a conclusion, taking into the consideration of the people, or your your children, your wife, your spouse, whoever is there. Okay, this is a situation, what should be the right attitude, or what should be the right way to tackle it. And this could be very, very simple if you just try to adjust one thing, that is you just put these two words, love and freedom. Give them the choice, give them the freedom, and then be adaptive or be receptive to what they are coming to. So then you see there won't be any sort of, you can say, communication or conflicts and all. And most of the problems or most of the stress, when you really talk of the stress, which really kills a person, is between relationship, which could be a personal or a professional one. You can get on with your boss, you have been working 20 years but no promotion because you can't in tune with the boss. You are giving the best of the performance, you are responsible for major project or major profit earning of the company, but still you would never be given a share. Because the conditioner, you feel the boss is not right, and the boss feel that this guy X too is smart. He thinks himself to be bigger than me. Right? So if you just change the situation, if you just give a little bit love and freedom means not okay, you start pampering or just like flattering your boss or something. It's like being open and being adjustive in all the situation. And that's what the things would really be different. Now this is, we are talking at one level, that is at relationship. Now suppose we are talking about more general or more chronic issues like health problems. Now suppose somebody is having diabetes, somebody is having blood pressure, some of you may be having heart problems, whatever could be an issue. Now suppose we are working on the health issues. Now what would you give me the answer? You have the troublesome area here in your field is your health issue. So now what do?
First is accept the reality. I have this problem.
Yes,
Then
first
only
is
the
that.
mindset will change, because otherwise अभी कुछ दुख रहा है और मेरे को तो कुछ नहीं है, I'm healthy and all this.
See, positive thinking is good. Affirmations are very are the most powerful medicine on the earth. But at the same time, you got to realize it. If you keep on thinking your blockages, oh, this is nothing, it will disappear and disappear, you may complicate the situation. So at any interval of time, you should not aggravate the situation. You should try to make it more and more simple, easier, and make it more workable. Don't make see, you may have a pimple. Don't grow it. वो बोलते ना, वो राई को आप पर्वत नहीं बनाओ. पर्वत भी है तो धीरे धीरे अपने कैजुअल एटीट्यूड्स को उसको राई के साइज में ले लो. We do what? No, I'm fine. Chunk it down. Chunk it and debilitate it. Cut it down slowly, a small piece. So one day you'll find really there is no parva, there is no more. You have just left with just a small raika dana. So what do we say here in this thing? We concentrate on the first and the foremost thing, which is very, very important for you. What is the most important thing for our health? What is the most important thing for our health?
Think healthy.
Exercise.
Think healthy.
Think healthy, that's right.
Balance,
Yoga is very good.
everything should be balanced.
That's right. But before the balance, what do we need? We need to survive. What do we need to survive?
Right food.
But before food, exercise से पहले.
Air.
But what does air consist of?
Oxygen.
Oxygen. That's right. The first priority in your life is,
And that is free.
but we don't know how to use it. And we spend thousands and lakhs of rupees to get this stuff. Right? You're going for
Free की value नहीं.
फ्री की वैल्यू नहीं होती, ये बात तो सही है. अभी आप यहाँ पे फ्री में बैठे इसलिए वैल्यू नहीं. यही चीज़ जब आप इंडियन मशीन चैम्बर्स में जाएंगे 5,000 रुपये पे करेंगे तो आपको लाइन लग जाएगा. That's absolutely true. Yeah, definitely. That's true. We are going to do that only next time onward. That's why we are shifting now. Then we'll charge. So then you can't say कि आपने पहले फ्री में किया था. See.
अभी से booking कर दो.
Yeah. We'll take the prior booking. जो पहले आएगा उसको 30% डिस्काउंट, जो बाद में आएगा उसको lesser and lesser. Right. See, the most important factor for our health is oxygen, and we call it ORP. Now, what is ORP? Oxygen reduction potential. Now, what is that on the earth? Whatever we take, either in the form of air or in the form of food and all, everything has to have oxygen. Suppose let's talk about in terms of breathing. Okay, when you're breathing it, what are you taking? We're taking an oxygen, it goes and it neutralizes, it vitalizes your whole body processes, and then as a result, as a byproduct, carbon dioxide and the other metabolic waste are produced. But when you are under stress, means when you are not taking your, yes, when you're not taking your breathing, or when you're not taking your posture, when your posture is not right, when your breathing is not right, or when you are really not in a position to take up, so even through the food and all, this value decreases a lot. Suppose for example, if you take a normal water, the alkalinity or the pH value of a normal water is about 7. Okay, but if you take a carbonated drink like any cola, okay, cola and everything is just lesser than 4. That's lesser than 4. Any carbonated drink is lesser than 4, which is highly acidic. Look at it. So the more carbonated drink are been going into your body, the more and more alkalis are needed to neutralize it. Now, what is the proportion of this oxygen or ORP with respect to your health? The lesser would be the oxygen reduction potential. यानी जितना आप shallow breathing कर रहे हैं, जितना हम closed cabinets में रहते हैं, जितना हम AC ventilated environment में रहते हैं, उतना हमारा ऑक्सीजन का जो पोटेंशियल है बॉडी में absorb करने का वो डिक्रीज होता जाता है. तो you are having the best of the food, but still you are not able to neutralize it, you are not able to metabolize it because your ORP is lesser. Now what you can do to increase your ORP? The simplest and the best and time tested and the centuries old formulas which would always be like you can say valid, and it will be valid till the time would the earth would come to an end. Yeah, what is that? No, pranayam is a very simple part. Pranayam and yoga is a very simple part. I'm coming to a very bigger picture about it. Oxidation, you want to be more, you want to have more oxygen into your body, you want to increase like your nutritive power, you want to be more healthy. What is the first thing that you need on the earth? Deep breathing से भी पहले. Sunbath. Because there are still 100 of processes which are still not being completely understood by the scientists and all. What does sunbath or what does sun rays do to your body? On a very, very broader level, you can understand it whenever your body is getting exposure to sun rays. I'll just try to explain in the simple words. You have got something which is called ultraviolet rays, okay, and you got something which is called far infrared waves. These are the more beneficial waves of sun. Far infrared. This is also known as FIR. Now you get many techniques also. Now you get many products also which are based on that. This is the thing, or this wavelength has got the most positive impact on your health. And how can you get it? Not when you're walking 45 minutes on the earth and all, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock and all. This has to be done either before sunrise. Yeah, just before the sunrise. That is, you know what is the time at sunrise? No, but it's almost around 6:05 or something. So it has to be 15 minutes before that. Honestly, the whole period is that Brahma Kal is around 4:30 to 6. But exactly जो sunrise का जो time होता है, that's the time the exact inclination of sun rays is onto जो earth पे पड़ता है ना, वो सबसे ज़्यादा highest होता है.
जो
उसमें you have the maximum incidence of FIR rays. And at this time also you can make it more viable if you walk barefooted. Why barefooted? Sorry? अर्थिंग होना चाहिए, लेकिन barefooted का क्या मतलब है? Why not shoes? Why not shoes? No, see, it's a natural acupressure, but this is the biggest toe of your, the whole feet has got your entire reflexology of your whole body, but especially your big toe of your feet contain the most important pituitary and the pineal glands. These are the master glands. Of course, you have everything. It's like how you have it over here. और उसी की वजह से when you're walking barefooted, So you know this, the whole thing gets pressed down, and then because your pituitary and your pineal glands are activated, your whole cycle or your whole endocrine system is been rejuvenated, and it's entire, you can say, like you know, what do you call it, पूरा replenish होता है, आपका पूरा system replenish होता है, पूरा circle पूरा होता है. Plus because your endocrine system has been rejuvenated, each and everything which occur in your body, that is as a byproduct of your hormones and enzymes. So they are releasing all the hormones and enzymes which are necessary for your sleep, for your appetite, for your well-being, for killing of your pain, for everything which your body requires. You have terrible pain in your back, you have terrible pain in your feet, just walk this, like you know, just 15 minutes barefooted, either on a damp ground or a wetted, like you know, damp wet grass. हाँ हाँ वो ना शबनम जहाँ पे गिरी हो, या हाँ शबनम जहाँ पे गिरी हो, या फिर on a beachy area जहाँ पे sand हो. So then you know it's like repulse.
क्योंकि वो सुना था शबनम है तो आपके लिए भी अच्छा.
Yeah, that's very good for the eyes also. Eyes, for the backache, for any sort of body pain, and even for a general health issue. These are the things, like you know, you have been suffering for, you say 3 months, 6 months, and I'll just start doing it. Within a week, if you have done it at this time, you'll find your pain is gone like this. Okay, and when you walk on the barefooted on this natural ground, you know, ये repulse होता है, so the gravity also acts against you. So it's like, what is your movement? It's like every action has a reaction. So दोनों balance होते हैं. And that's how we say, like, even sports shoes are supposed to be good, but even then we don't recommend doing all those things wearing sports shoes, because वो natural जो impulse है. See, all sports shoes have got like this, they are not having hard होता है, plus उसका जो surface होता है, they are not made up with rubber, they are made up with, like you know, the other materials which is insulating. तो वो body के current को absorb कर देता है, वहीं पे stop कर देता है. Where body's current has to be grounded. जैसे हम अर्थिंग करवाते हैं अपने घरों की, वैसे ही उसको ग्राउंड होगा, और वो जब ग्राउंड होगा देन ओनली यू विल बी एबल टू सी द कंप्लीट इफेक्ट. सेम थिंग यू फाइंड सनराइज इज नॉट पॉसिबल बिकॉज यू आर वर्किंग लेट एंड ऑल, देन जस्ट आफ्टर सनसेट, दैट इज 6:15 in the evening, ठीक है. So either before sunrise 15 minutes or after sunset, again the condition is the same. You have to do it walking barefooted. Suppose
shoes come with little bit of this marking.
they are all, like you know, of no use. They are all no. You get those acupressure sleepers and all. See, वो भी काम करता है, लेकिन वो काम करेगा ऐसे.
To that extent.
It will. बहुत सारी चीज़ों का, बहुत सारी कंपनीज, many companies are doing that. See, that will work 1/10. This will work 1 out of 100. Complete. So you want to take the result to 1/10 or you want to take all 100? No, choice is yours. See, when you are not in a position to know, it's rainy day, the cloud weave there, सब होगा, जब there are times when you can't do it. So then you do.
मॉर्निंग
वॉकर एंड ऑल,
नेचुरल बेस्ड वॉक करना है, बट जिसको नहीं है वो मॉर्निंग वॉक का.
सी, लेजीनेस से बेहतर कुछ करना है, लेकिन कुछ करने से बेहतर सही तरीके से और पूरी तरीके से करना है. लेकिन नाउ यू कैन वॉक ऑन योर ट्रेडमिल, दैट्स ऑल्सो गुड एक्सरसाइज. ओके,
where you will get it? चलते रहने.
What?
On the where you will get it?
You have it.
वो जिम में मिलता है सबको.
नहीं,
Talking of the nature.
you go to any of this, like you know, garden areas, you go all these things.
नेचुरल हवा ये सब डबल बेनिफिट.
नहीं तो क्या करने के ना, अपनी बिल्डिंग के नीचे वो होता है ना, कैंपस होता है ना, तो थोड़ा सा है ना, एक एरिया ना उखड़वा दो, बारिश के बाद उखड़वा दो, इतना एरिया वहाँ पे वॉक करो आप. Explain the society what is the benefit, everybody would join it. See, if you want to look for a solution, you would always get one. So that's always there, and I don't think Bombay still has got plenty of the choices which are available to you. So this is one thing which works 100%. Second thing, still you have a little bit more time. Then we suggest go for still, like you know, either walk or this sun bath completely. In this you should be minimum, आपको मिनिमम क्लोथिंग होनी चाहिए, स्पेशली योर this the ankle के पार्ट वाला एरिया. इफ यू आर वेयरिंग अ फुल पैंट एंड ऑल, दैट्स ओके, फाइन एंड ऑल, but make sure that beneath your ankle this area has to be uncovered, especially this part. I'll show you. No, I'll show you. ये जो एरिया है ना, ये इतना एरिया बहुत खुला होना चाहिए. दिस शुड नॉट बी कवर्ड नाइदर विथ शूज नॉर विथ योर पैंट का, ट्राउजर्स का बॉटम, because this 1 inch down the line, this are the area for your kidney meridians. तो बॉडी का हीट और कोल्ड रेगुलेशन इससे होता है. किडनी मेरिडियन जितना एक्टिव होगा उतना आपका बॉडी का फ्लशिंग, टॉक्सिन सब निकलेगा. सो दैट्स द रीजन इज दैट इफ यू आर वेयरिंग अ ट्राउजर, मेक श्योर दैट इट हैज़ टू बी अबव. या तो उसको फोल्ड कर लो, और इफ यू आर वेयरिंग अ शॉर्ट, नथिंग लाइक इट. एंड इफ यू आर वेयरिंग अ गंजी और समथिंग, दैट्स स्टिल बेटर. इफ यू आर मैन, यू कैन वेयर ऑफ योर शर्ट, because then the chest is exposed to your sun, so it gets like आपका जो respiratory problems वगैरह जो है उसमें भी. If you have back issues, then it can be done on the back. If you have anything related with cervical and all, then on the neck and all, but generally we say it should be taken on the front of the chest, because face some people have sensitive skin a lot, but this is the area which is a little bit more solid, so nobody would have that much problem. Plus यहाँ से आपको जो पसीना आएगा तो ये पूरा मेल्ट करेगा, तो बॉडी का एक नेचुरल आपका जो होगा स्वेटिंग भी होता है, पूरा आपके टॉक्सिन जो हैं वो भी निकलते हैं. सो देन यू कैन से सन बाथ इफ़ यू हैव टाइम 30 to 45 minutes. If you do not have time, so maybe 10 minutes also would be down, but make sure this has to be a direct sun bath. You should be experiencing a direct rays on your body. Now people tell me, oh, you have been telling me, I have been taking it from ages, every day I'm there in my house and I take sun bath for about 50 minutes, but nothing gets this. I said, okay, but tell me, how do you take it? I have a big window, I just sit in front of the window. So that's the sun is entering onto the window, and from the window you are getting a reflection, nothing. It's just getting the reflection. So this reflection will give you the light. It won't give you the effect of the rays. It won't kill the germs. It won't sublime the heat. It won't activate the internal system of your body.
What
So
are the
make sure.
timings? What timings?
This you can do it. See, 10 minutes. You can do it say around 6 o'clock, before and after, whatever. This is the main crucial time.
No, direct sunrise. Direct
हाँ.
sunrise will come at what time?
No, 6:30 is very mild. देखो जब आप सुबह में भी कर रहे हो, शाम में भी कर रहे हो ना, तो 6 बजे, 6:15 बजे, 6:30 बजे भी इतना नहीं है. 7, 7:30 के बाद, 7 के बाद sun
एक
spirit.
घंटा वो बोलते हैं,
हाँ.
मॉर्निंग में 1 घंटा, शाम को 1 घंटा.
Yeah, either of yeah. According to that, it's right. But at least if you do say half an hour also like that, that's also good enough. If you do say it about 1 hour, that's nothing. It's amazing. ये ऐसा माना जाता है आयुर्वेद में, योगा में एंड ऑल, अगर आपने ये करना शुरू कर दिया, सन बात कर लिया है, अगर मुर्दा होगा ना तो वो भी 3 दिन के अंदर खड़ा हो जाएगा. इट्स कहने की बात है, बट लेकिन उसके अंदर इतनी ऊर्जा उत्पन्न होती है, बोलते हैं ना, द प्राण, द एनर्जी. सो देयर आर स्टिल सो मेनी सिस्टम ऑफ अ बॉडी विच वी डोंट नो. Now there are 100 of people, you ask anybody, oh my vitamin D has been very less, my B12 is less, so I am taking shot for that. But they don't understand, even if you are taken shot, but you have not exposed your body to sunlight, nothing is going to, your immunity would be as low as before. So this has to be done. We suggest why 30 minutes. Say if 10 minutes you do this, 30 minutes you do, you come home and then we call it, there is a system which is called friction bath. Perhaps I would have told you earlier also. Have you heard about friction bath? Yeah.
अच्छा हाँ, वो
Rubbing the body?
Yeah, rubbing the body. Yeah, Grishan Kriya.
हाँ, natural. Plastic का.
No, that has to be done with a natural brush. Either do what? Before, once you have come home, take a Turkish towel. Okay? If you have a Turkish towel or if you have a natural brush, नेचुरल लूफास जो होते हैं ना, नॉट अ प्लास्टिक और स्पंज वाले.
नारियल का ऊपर का
हाँ, दैट्स द बेस्ट थिंग. कॉयर, दैट्स द बेस्ट थिंग ऑन द अर्थ.
काता मिलता है.
हाँ, काटा मिलता है. हाँ,
केसर होता है.
Nest of sparrow also made.
या दैट वुड आल्सो डू.
Nest of
द बेस्ट थिंग,
sparrow.
स्पैरो का भी चलता है, वो भी चलता है.
Baroness.
Sparrow nest. The best thing is a coir is very easy to get it. Anywhere you will get it.
घोंसला उसे.
हाँ, वो बहुत अच्छा काम
उसमें
करता
टाइप
है.
नहीं रहता है.
And you have any sort of skin issues, जैसे कि लोगों को वेरिकोज वेन है या बहुत ज़्यादा पिंपल्स वगैरह आते हैं, बहुत सारे स्किन प्रॉब्लम होता है, then we suggest तुरई का ब्रश आता है.
You're right.
You will get it I think in Dada Pharmacy and all, and some of the health store you might get it.
Dry you are able to dry.
हाँ, तो वो ड्राई ही करना है, ये सब ड्राई ही करना है. आपको क्या करना है? ड्राई.
हो जाता है.
सॉरी,
Keep it in water. Dry. Brush हो जाता है.
नहीं नहीं, you get it in the health store. वो कुछ नहीं होता.
Also available.
सॉरी. हाँ, pubic stone would also, but pubic stone किसी की
ज्यादा हार्श
नहीं नहीं, कुछ नहीं होता है. पहले ही 2 बार आप करोगे ना तो वो एकदम रफ रहेगा, तो लगेगा, फिर वो 2-3 दिन के बाद वो इट बिकम्स वेरी
Smooth हो जाएगा.
डायरेक्शन है क्या?
उसकी डायरेक्शन ऑब्वियसली, या इट हैज टू बी अपोजिट. सी योर ब्लड फ्लोज अप टू डाउन, दैट हैज टू बी कम डाउन टू अप.
Miss towards heart.
Yes, because you are increasing the flow towards your drainage system. Lymph system को आप एक्टिवेट कर रहे हो, तो lymph system walks the other way.
मेरिडियन का जो डायरेक्शन है वो
वही डायरेक्शन, इट विल गो दिस वे. जब हम नॉर्मली ब्रश करते हैं, द ब्लड फ्लोज फ्रॉम ईयर टू डाउन, बट द लिम्फ वुड कम ईयर ना, बिकॉज इट हैज टू कलेक्ट ऑल द डेब्रीज फ्रॉम द होल ऑर्गन. So what you take either a hot Turkish towel, or you can take this natural brushes and wipe out each and every part of your body without getting it wet. एकदम मतलब बिना wet किए करना है आपको for 5 minutes 10 minutes, and especially the inner part from ear to ear has to be pressed completely. क्योंकि ये अपने जो है खींचना नहीं कर. हाँ, अगर ज़्यादा अगर होगा वो कुछ नहीं, ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है. अगर आपका सीधा
वो मसाज हो गया. ऑयल मसाज.
see when you do it, no, if you're doing it dry, वो नहीं खींचेगा. आप इतना नहीं खींचोगे पूरी स्किन जल जाएगा. मालूम पड़ा फिर वो कुछ नहीं था वहाँ पे, इतना बड़ा मालूम पड़ा 2 दिन के बाद पहले कुछ नहीं था, अभी 2 दिन से इतना दर्द हो रहा है, खड़ा भी नहीं.
बाद में लेकिन कब to you
आपने बताया था क्या. What does? This is a natural cleanser. It stimulates your lymph system, your drainage system of your body. तो ये नेचुरली खाली आप ऐसे ही करोगे तो आपका 2-3 किलो वजन तो ऐसे ही निकल जाएगा. At any interval of time, we have got that much toxins which we are carrying in your body, and you'll find your circulation getting better. You'll find the increase also open up. You'll find your skin also taking a good leaf. स्किन का आपका कॉम्प्लेक्शन आपका सब आपको पता चलेगा, स्मूथ हो जाता है. दैट्स ट्रू. सो दिस इज वन थिंग दैट यू कैन डू इट, फ्रिक्शन बाथ. ओके, सो दैट अगेन फॉर से अनदर 10 मिनट्स. सो ये आपका तकरीबन से 30-40 मतलब तकरीबन 1 घंटे के अंदर आपका पूरा काम हो जाता है. ये आपने पूरा अपनी बॉडी को एक्टिवेट किया, पूरी, हाँ, पूरी ट्यूनिंग किया, पूरा उसका बोले ना जो कुछ भी पुर्जे उर्जे नहीं चल रहे थे वो सब पुर्जों को आपने टाइट कर लिया ना. एवरीथिंग विल फ्लो विद द रिदम एंड देयर वोंट बी एनी क्वेश्चन ऑफ लेथार्जी, टायर्डनेस. प्रिवेंटिव एज वेल एज you can say रिसेप्टिव, अरेस्टिंग द प्रॉब्लम. ये हो गया आपका फ्रिक्शन बाथ. अब फ्रिक्शन बाथ के बाद आप क्या कर सकते हैं? चलिए, आपको जितना टाइम मिले उतना करो ना.
मॉर्निंग इवनिंग ऑल्सो.
दैट्स गुड, क्योंकि इवनिंग आप ऑफिस से आते हैं, इतना ट्रैवल करते हैं, पोल्यूशन इतना होता है. इट्स बेटर. दैट्स वेरी गुड. सी नॉर्मली मॉर्निंग में शायद जल्दी जाने में बहुत सारे लोगों को नहीं होगा. आई डेफिनेटली प्रिफर इट. अगर मॉर्निंग में करो तो इट्स गुड, नहीं तो इवनिंग में इट्स मोर बेटर, because evening में you are coming home with all clouds of tons of all pollutant and also it becomes more feasible. इसके बाद आपने सबसे पहले क्या किया? अब ये तो आपने पूरा रिजुविनेट कर लिया. Now I'll come to main things which will cause stress in your life. Now you'll understand the meaning of stress. Now you come out of your bathroom, okay, and then you see what? Okay.
Now you are fresh.
You're fresh, but but what do you see once you come out of all this situation? What's the first thing?
Energized now.
You're energized, but what do you do now? The moment you are energized, what you'll do?
We'll take our
Start fighting with others. Start fighting with others.
No, what you'll do? No, you can't sleep. This way, once you have come out of a sun bath, nobody could dare to sleep. Nobody could dare to sleep. No way. आप कोशिश करके देखिए, I can challenge you, nobody can go to sleep. What you'll do? You'll come out, you switch on TV. Right? You'll take your mobile.
Take the TV or DVD.
ठीक है? And then you'll talk to your wife. Right?
No problem.
ठीक है? Now you
They talk to you.
reciprocated, vice versa.
All day stories.
Now let's come to the main thing. Now this is producing a radiation. You know, we all living in the smog of radiation, smog of. Now all this. Now what will happen? You'll say us, अरे इतनी देर हो गई अभी तक नाश्ता नहीं बना है.
उधर भी एक सर्कल लगा दीजिए.
Right? सबसे बड़ा क्लाउड वहाँ से आएगा. Tower. I said, what happened? Till now, my breakfast is not ready. You don't know I have to reach office and I already have a meeting and all. There what? See, the DS, other rejuvenation. Now she said, what do you think? I'm getting up from 6 o'clock and preparing everything. You can't. I said, no, there would be a conflict. So what at this time you would have a little bit love and freedom. Okay, what happened? Why she is not ready and all. So then the situation.
10 minutes. Come 10 minutes also.
10 minutes. See, 10 minutes was also maybe sometime not practicable. Whatever I just give one thing. Whatever you do in your life, just remove one thing out of it. Whether you can give love and freedom, that does not matter. But don't add this to anything. Any of your conversation. You know what we do? Normally, it's like, what happened? Why he is not ready? You know, it's a very insult. Look at it. So whether you are in a position to give love and freedom to the other person, but don't give this. Because nobody can act to this. Right?
Don't be judgmental.
Don't be. It's not a question of judgment. It's like, see, there are the people who are very immediate, like, you know, हमारे बहुत close circle में होते हैं, तो we take them for granted. So they are also human beings. They also deserve to have the right of love and freedom as good as yours. Right? You just remove this word. See, the life would be so much smooth. It's really smooth. You'll find before you would count on to something, like, you know, everything would be ready. Everything would be yes for your choice. Now again we are coming. This was a small sphere. Now first thing what you'll do, you'll have a tea. Right? Most of us. Is there anyone who doesn't have tea in the morning? Tea or coffee? You have tea? Tea. Okay, tea or coffee, everybody has it, right? And normal वो मसाले वाली चाय और अदरक की चाय and all, right? That the problem. अदरक की चाय, lemon tea, okay? Masala tea, right? Who has green tea? Okay, you have green tea. Yeah, within the night. That's good. This is the most stress-producing factor. This is the most stress-producing factor.
Is it because of caffeine?
Yes.
मराठी में कहावत है, खड़ता पण वळत नाही.
Yes, लेकिन हाँ कंट्रोल नहीं होता है. Yes.
Tomorrow you don't drink tea.
See, you know what? We all know we should not do certain things, but it's like we do it. See, everybody goes for a walk for an hour, and afterward you see सारे पानी पूरी वालों के पास लाइन लगी रहती है वॉक करने के बाद सारे या फिर वो he is bad. See, a moderate amount if you're just taking 1 or 2 is not bad, but normally 1 और 2 पे कोई नहीं, 4 या 5 हो ही जाता है. एंड जितना आप चाय पीते हो ना, द अमाउंट ऑफ कैफीन See, ये क्या होता है? इसके बजाय आई एम गिविंग यू फॉर्मूला, वेरी सिंपल हर्बल टी. आई हैव बीन एम्फसाइजिंग ऑन दिस दालचीनी वाला.
तो एक बार करके देखा था मैंने.
एक बार नहीं, आप उसको करिए. अगर आप सॉरी
In Hare Krishna temple they give Ayurvedic tea.
आई नो दे आर ऑल्सो वेरी गुड. दे हैव वेरी गुड. इस्कॉन का, हाँ, इस्कॉन का टी इज़ वेरी गुड. They have very good, but getting anything from outside, why can't you do it yourself? When you have a better formula and when you can do it at the convenience and you can say at a very affordable price at your home, why do you need to buy those expensive? I know 80% of the people who are having green tea, either they have got it from China, Malaysia, Indonesia, Philippines, what not the all. दार्जिलिंग से कोई नहीं लाता है. Latest they all get it from, like, you know, they have gone, whenever they have gone for a trip. Now imagine you have taken a trip, obviously you have not gone to take it, but if you are getting it from there, a trip would cost you not less than 50,000 if there is one person, whatever would be the thing, least. If you're gone just only to a place like China and all, if you're gone to Bangkok, Phuket and all, then it would be, the price would go how much ever, that's not the thing. लेकिन वहाँ से आप जो ला रहे हो, see in ancient therapy we believe, आयुर्वेदा में, नेचुरोपैथी में हमें यही सिखाया जाता है कि आप जो एरिया में रहते हो उसी के 2 किलोमीटर से 5 किलोमीटर के रेडियस में जो सब्जी उगती है, जो फल उगता है, वही आपको खाना है, क्योंकि वो आपकी प्रकृति, वो आपकी जो बॉडी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के हिसाब से भगवान ने उसमें आपके लिए शुद्धि और समृद्धि रखी है. उसके अलावा आप कहीं जाके 10 किलोमीटर में 200 किलोमीटर दूर का लेकर आओ, वो आपको नहीं चलेगा. Yeah, but in certain condition now you are having certain problem. आपको कुछ पथरी की शिकायत है, तो there are certain ककड़ीज which are not available over here. You get it from somewhere. You have certain type of disease. यहाँ पे वो उसका नहीं कुछ इलाज होता है, तो नेचुरली कोई और सब्जी वगैरह आप कहीं और से मंगा ले. जैसे मूसली कहीं की अच्छी होती है, you know, अनार्स आर गुड ऑफ कश्मीर, और सेब जो वहाँ के होते हैं, so those are permissible. अब ये जो पैक के नाम पे ये लोग क्या क्या बेच रहे हैं, एंड nowhere on the earth you can find out, you would never get a GSM report कि इसमें exactly constituent क्या है. हम ये सोच के पी रहे हैं भैया ये तो बहुत अच्छी है, हर्बल टी है, ग्रीन टी इज़ बाउंड टू गुड, एंड नेवर माइंड इज़ गोइंग टू कॉस्ट यू. ये ऑब्वियसली अभी मैं एक चाय मैं यहाँ से पी रही हूँ, बाजू में से, it will cost me 30. Same thing I'll have it at Taj, it will cost me 500. Same thing I'll have it at America. It will, अभी वो शाहरुख खान का जोक नहीं था, मेरी एक चाय 2 करोड़ की पड़ती है, वो वाला हिसाब हो जाता है. But we don't understand it. So understand what is good for you within your local radius. We promote locally grown, like, you know, vegetable or whatever it is. So this does what, ये आपने जो ये चाय जो हम लेते हैं ना, सी इसमें फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल रिफाइंड शुगर होता है, द शुगर विच हैज़ बिन वॉश्ड विद सल्फर. रिफाइनमेंट कुछ नहीं है. यू आर टेकिंग, लाइक, यू नो, टी लीव्स ड्राइड होते हैं, फिर उसमें कैफिनेटेड कंटेंट होता है, प्लस यू आर नॉट टेकिंग 1 or 2. आपको कम से कम दिन में 4 बार 5 बार या मिनिमम लोगे तो 3 बार आपको लेनी. ये क्या है, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट अ रिफाइंड, ये रिफाइंड शुगर होती है, तो ये बॉडी में एनर्जी इमीडिएटली, लेकिन आपका एनर्जी स्पाइक इमीडिएट होता है, फिर उसी तरीके से ड्रॉप होता है. तो द मोमेंट यू हैव इट, 1-1.5 घंटे के बाद फिर लगता है यार कुछ ले लो. एंड द बेस्ट थिंग इज दैट यू नेवर हैव टी अलोन, यू हैव टी विद अ बिस्किट और अ वेफर और, लाइक, यू नो, टोस्ट और समथिंग. दे आर ऑल ब्रेडेड आइटम्स विच आर मोर डेडलियर दैन टी. I would just suggest reduce your consumption of bread, say about 30%. I'm not saying completely, and your tea to about 10%. 80% your problem, whatever it is, डायबिटीज़ से लेके आपका माइग्रेन, आपका हार्ट ब्लॉकेजेस, जितने भी इशू है, उसमें कम से कम आपको 30 से 40% तक आपको इम्प्रूवमेंट ऑटोमेटिकली बिना कुछ कहे दिखाई देगा. And I'm talking about a simple and a very practical formula. This is what you call it, a Karamati tea, I call it. Karamati. Karamati means miraculous tea. Karamati, miraculous. Sorry, you have to take 2 inch of dalchini, cinnamon. You can take powder. Inch, इतना सा हुआ, इतना टुकड़ा. हाँ. Then you have to take about 2 cloves. Long लेना है 2. And take about, say, a mug of water, जितना आपको पीना है, and boil it. अगर चाहिए तो उसमें 2-3 आप तुलसी की पत्तियाँ भी डाल, ज़रूरत नहीं है अदरक, बिल्कुल ज़रूरत नहीं.
तुलसी के पत्ते,
तुलसी के पत्ते आपकी साइकिक है कि स्प्रिट वो साइकिक लेवल पे, ये ऑप्शन है, अगर आप चाहो तो डालो, नहीं डालोगे तो भी कोई हर्ज नहीं।
मैंने
इसको
अदरक डाला था।
हाँ तो भी अच्छा लगेगा, लेकिन अदरक नहीं भी डालोगे तो भी इट वर्क्स गुड। और इसको बॉईल करके इतना रिड्यूस करना है कि वो एक मग जो है आधा रह जाए। स्वीटन इट आइदर विद एन ऑर्गेनिक जैगरी, ऑर्गेनिक गुड़ के साथ आप उसको स्वीटन कर लीजिए और ऐड अ 1 स्पून ऑफ हनी एंड जस्ट ड्रिंक इट। आप ये ले लीजिए, अगर आपने एक बार लिया है ना, आपको कम से कम 5-6 घंटे तक किसी तरीके की ना ही क्रेविंग होगी। इनफैक्ट आपने जो कुछ भी खाया है आपको लगेगा कि वो पूरी तरीके से, नहीं तो हम क्या होता है अभी खाना हजम नहीं हुआ दूसरा खाना खा लेते हैं, देन यू फील ओके अरे ये पेट भारी लग रहा है, यहाँ पे ऐसा लग रहा है गैस बन रहा है, फेटुलेंस हो रहा है, कुछ ना कुछ हो रहा है। सो इफ़ यू हैव दिस टी, तो ऑल दैट फ्लैटुलेंस, गैस, letharginess, that craving, appetite, all those problems would be completely solved. अगर आपने ये दिन में एक बार ले लिया है तो 4-5 घंटे तक आपको कोई और चीज़ लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, neither solid, liquid or anything. Plus you will feel completely light when you are sitting down for your meal. जब आप खाने के लिए बैठोगे ना तो आपको वाकई भूख लगेगा, और भूख में वो निवाला डालने से पहले आपको लगेगा कि ये पूरा जो खाना आपने इससे पहले वाला जो खाया था वो पूरी तरीके से हज़म हो गया है। थर्ड थिंग इज़ दैट इफ़ एनी ऑफ यू हैज़ गॉट अ प्रॉब्लम ऑफ यूरिन इनकंटिनेंस, इट्स टैकल दैट ऑल्सो। 3 things. Fourth thing is that because we all are carrying so much load of the toxin, many of us do feel to have the problem related with memory. Memory, short term memory, long term memory कम होती जा रही है।
मेमोरी के लिए भी
मेमोरी के लिए, बिकॉज दालचीनी इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इफेक्टिव लाइक इन अ थिंग फॉर द रेमेडी। अगर आप कुछ नहीं करना चाहते हो, खाना खाने के बाद 1-2 इंच का टुकड़ा आप चबाते रहो, दैट ऑल्सो इंक्रीजेस। ये चारों शॉर्ट काम करता है। सो वी सेड एटलीस्ट यू कांट कट ऑफ योर टी एंड कॉफ़ी कम्प्लीटली, एटलीस्ट वंस इन अ डे डू दिस, सी इट ऑटोमेटिकली आपका क्या डिफरेंस होता है आप अपनी लाइफ में। नेक्स्ट टाइम एंड यू विल मीट मी, यू विल लेट मी नो। सो दिस वर्क्स। और ये क्या करेगा, ऑलरेडी इन सब प्रॉब्लम को आपको टैकल करता है। और यही रीज़न होता है जो हमारे अनकंट्रोलेबल क्रेविंग्स हैं, अनकंट्रोलेबल हमारे बिहेवियर्स जो होते हैं, रीज़न ये होता है लाइक यू नो सर्टन राइज इन एनर्जी लेवल एंड सर्टन ड्रॉप।
जैगरी और ये जो
हनी
कब डालने का,
बॉयल करने के बाद भी डाल दो। अगर आप जैगरी डाल रहे हो तो थोड़ा पहले डालना पड़ेगा क्योंकि फिर वो मेल्ट नहीं होगा ना।
नहीं, मध को उबालना, मध को बाद
मत को नहीं, जैगरी रहेगा तो उसको पहले जिस वक्त आप बॉईल कर रहे हो तो लास्ट में थोड़ा सा, क्योंकि वो 1 मिनट में पिघल जाता है। मेन इंग्रेडिएंट है सिनेमन एंड क्लॉव। दोनों ले सकते हो, कोई भी ले सकते हो, पाउडर भी चलेगा और अक्खा भी चलेगा,
नहीं,
दोनों तरीके
से छिलका।
दालचीनी का छिलका होता है ना, दालचीनी बोलते हैं, क्या बोलते हैं, दालचीनी नहीं होती है जो पुलाव वगैरह में डालते हैं, लकड़ी दालचीनी की, दालचीनी की।